agents are no longer the future, they are happening right now. Imagine a personal assistant that never sleeps, never forgets, and works 24/7 to handle your customer inquiries, tasks, and ideas. The best part is you don't need any coding skills, you do not need any fancy degrees. In just few minutes, you can go from zero to hero and build your own personal AI assistant. So this is the fastest way to automate your boring work, scale your productivity, and free yourself from all the mundane and repetitive tasks. Because the truth is, while others are still thinking of using this AI, you will already have an AI teammate doing all your work. So in this video, we are going to create this AI agent, and in just 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI agent. Here I have already created an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, and we are going to test this AI agent once whether it is working fine or not. So here I'm going to open my WhatsApp and send some message. Hey, I want to know my order status. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And here it says, could you please provide your order ID? I'll help you check the status. So I'm going to enter my order ID here. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. So now as I send my order ID, it has sent me this message, your order, this has been shipped via delivery. You can track it using the following link. I'm provided with a link. So I have added a dummy link and you can add your own link. And after that I've received, if you have any other question, feel free to ask. So I'm going to ask about any product now. So I'm going to write FitGear smartwatch is in stock. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. So here I have received this detail. So this is in stock. The price is this. Features are these. Warranties of 1 year. Stock is 120 units. Now here I'm going to enter. Can I cancel my order? I'm going to send this message and then let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me this message. Yes, you can cancel your order if it hasn't been shipped yet. To cancel, please log into your account, go to my orders and select the option to cancel. If you need further assistance, feel free to ask. So I'm going to write, could you provide the link? So here I'm sending all the questions and all the inquiries and it is answering to all my inquiries very promptly. It has also sent me the link. You can cancel your order by logging into your account at this link. Once logged in, go to my orders to find the cancellation option. If you have any question, just let me know. So I'm going to write, so do you have any offers going on? I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me, yes, there are great offers available. New user discount, festive sale, loyalty points, referral program. If you need more details, you have any question, feel free to ask. So this is how my AI agent is promptly replying to all of the questions asked by the customer. And now if you want to learn how you can create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. And for this, we are going to visit Pabbly Chatflow simply by typing www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. Now, after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to go towards this Pabbly Chatflow, access now. And here I have landed towards this dashboard where you can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your own WhatsApp number, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can use this WhatsApp Connect to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token. If you want to learn the step-by-step process, then the video is available in the description. Now on the left-hand side where we can see all these options, inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. help. So we have created a dedicated and detailed video on all of these features, the link to which is available in the description. You can check that out. Now to create an AI agent, on the left hand side we have this option of AI assistant. We are going to open this. So here I have landed towards this AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant which I have created, the active AI assistants which are active on some charts, and then the inactive AI assistants. To create a new AI assistant, you simply need to click on this add AI assistant. So let's open this. So first I'm going to name this AI assistant as AI agent for my e-commerce store. I'm going to click on this add AI assistant. Here I have landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this AI assistant. Now the first one is AI instruction. Over here we have to select the instruction type. If I open this, you can see all the instruction which I have. I'm going to select it as AI agent, and you will see as soon as I select the type, the instructions are automatically added. You can add or subtract these instructions according to your requirement. Then if I scroll down, I will have this AI configuration. So first one is temperature. It's written set how creative. The AI answer are 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if I go from 0 to 1, I'm going to get more creative response. So I'm going to set it as 0.7, and I'm going to select my AI to use as OpenAI. I'm going to select my model as GPT-4o mini, and then over here I'm going to enter my API key. So to get this API key, you have to visit this hyperlink given over here, and it will land you towards the API keys page. To create a new API token, you simply need to click on this create new secret key. First we are going to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test, the project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. Now here I have already added my API key which I am going to connect. Please make sure that when you add your API key, you click on this connect. Now after that we have this AI assistant settings. So if you want to provide the header message to your AI assistant, you can simply toggle on this button and enter your header message. Then we have this footer message, same goes for this footer message. Then we have the stop keyword. So if you want your customer to type something to stop this AI replying to them, you can add the stop keyword. So I am going to write stop and press enter, and in this manner I have added this stop keyword. It is written enter keyword that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So I'm going to write it as stop only. Then if you want to give more chances so that whenever AI fails to answer the question, you want to increase the chances, you can enter that over here in this retry attempt. I'm going to keep it as 1. It is written specify the number of fallback retry attempts. If the AI assistant fails to respond, valid range is 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 1. I'm going to toggle this off for now. Then we have this fallback message. So this message is sent when the API is not responding in our AI assistant, and this is the message: I'm here to assist with question related to company information and support. If you have any question about a service or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. You can also add your contact details or the rest of the details. I'm going to keep it as same only. So here we are done with the first step of this AI instruction. Moving on towards the next step of this knowledge source. So in this drop down I have this upload file which I'm going to select. Now to upload this knowledge source, we have to create a knowledge base. Now in my Google document, I have already created this knowledge base. So if I open this, this is the knowledge base which I have created, trendy cart e-commerce knowledge base. I have entered the company profile, order management, then the rest of the details like shipping policy, return policy, payment policy, product catalog, loyalty and offer, customer support, FAQs, then the realistic customer scenario, and I have also added the link of the spreadsheet where I have added the orders. You can add as many as details. You can specify all the details, add all the details, and according to the details which you are going to add in this knowledge base, your AI is going to respond. So over here I have created a very detailed knowledge base. I'll go back towards my AI agent. I'm going to click on this cloud and I'm going to select the knowledge base which I've created, open this, and it has been uploaded. So here it is, file uploaded and processed successfully. So now moving on towards the next step, which is assistant interface. So we have this heading message. I am going to enter it as e-commerce. You can enter according to your choice and preference and it will start reflecting over here. If you want to provide any subheading, you can do that. I'm going to keep it as default only. We are online, happy to assist you. Now in this initial message, so whenever your customer are going to send any message, this message will be sent. Hi there, how can I help you today? Or you can add one more message. Enter each message in a new chat bubble. You can add only 2 messages. I'm going to keep it as this only. Then we have this display the powered by Pabbly label. I'm going to keep it as enable. If you want, you can disable this and it will be removed from here. I'm going to keep it enable. Now in this footer text, I have entered the privacy policy and the link to this privacy policy. You can enter according to your choice and preference. Now in this user first message, this message will be sent to the WhatsApp as initial message from user. So whenever any user send me a message, this chatbot is going to get triggered and start sending the messages. It is not necessary that the user send the same message, I need help. Moving on towards the next step, we have this styling. Now in this styling, you see that I have selected the theme mode as light. If you want, you can select it as dark. I'm going to keep it as light. We have this assistant shape, which is circle for now. You can square this or you can rounded square this. I'm going to keep it as circle. Then we have this assistant background color. So I have kept it as this. If you want to change, you can do that. I'm going to keep all these text color, WhatsApp button color as default only. If you want, you can change according to your choice and preference. We have this header profile picture. You can simply click on this cloud and upload your picture, just like we have added and uploaded the knowledge base. Same goes for this assistant profile picture. And if you want to change this background, you can change that also by uploading any other theme or the picture or the wallpaper. So here we have completed creating this AI assistant, and now please make sure that you toggle on this AI agent button. If you do not toggle this on, this AI agent will remain inactive and the messages won't be sent. So as to keep this active, we are going to toggle on this button, and after that we have to make sure that we save this AI assistant. If we do not save this, whatever we have done over here, that will be lost. So we have to make sure that we toggle on this button to keep it active and save this. We can also embed this to our website using this code given over here. You can also use the start chat and it will redirect towards this AI assistant chat, or you can also use this scan QR. So whenever someone scans this QR, they will be redirected towards that chat. Now there is a very important thing which we want to learn. Now over here I have saved this AI assistant. Now on the left hand side where we can see all these options, I am going to open this inbox. So this was my chat. Now if you want to active this AI agent to a particular chat, what you have to do, simply open that chat, choose AI assistant, toggle on this button and then select the AI assistant and then save this, and that AI assistant will be available or active on this particular chat. But doing this to specific chats one by one is a very illogical way. So on the left hand side where we can see all these options, so I'm going to go towards the settings and then click on this inbox settings. I'm going to open this inbox settings in a new tab. Here I have landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, you can see this AI auto reply settings. First, we are going to disable this so that I can show you how you can do this. So I have disabled this. Now I'm going to toggle on this button, and over here I'm going to click on this contact list, select the contact list and then select the AI agent. You can create a particular contact list, add that specific contacts to that list and then select the AI assistant to all those chats. Or you can simply click on this add more rules, select all the contacts and assign particular AI assistant to all the contacts. Simply save this and you will see inbox settings saved successfully. So here this AI agent will be active on all of the chats. So I hope this is very clear to you. We are going to check this AI agent once again whether it is working fine or not. For that I'm going to open my WhatsApp and here I'm going to send a message. Here I want to know that do you ship internationally. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it says, I'm sorry, but we only ship within India. If you have any other question or need assistance with your order, feel free to ask. I'm going to write my message as, I have received a damaged product. Please return or exchange that. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me this message. I'm sorry to hear that you received the damaged product. You can raise a return within 48 hours of receiving it. Log into your account, go to my orders, request a return and upload the product image. A pickup will be arranged within 48 hours and after inspection, your refund or replacement will be proceeded. So this AI agent is working properly and completely fine. So this is how we have created this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot. If you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below. So I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching.